So we're gonna dive into purchase order financing, which is our first use case. And if you're familiar with the purchase order financing today, you know that there are a lot of frictions and a lot of pain points in the process. So if you have a purchase order and you're looking for someone else to finance it, maybe you have a financial partner willing to offer the funding, right? In that case, you probably download your data, turn to the financial institution portal, upload your data there, see if you get financing. Maybe you get some of the invoices or the POs in this case. Um, some of those you get funded, and then you come back and maybe update your system, right? But at the end of the day, these two things, the funding, the loan that you receive, and the operation in your ERP are completely disconnected, right? And embedded finance, especially the SAP Fioneer proposal for embedded finance, solves for that pain point. How exactly? So imagine a world where all the SAP systems are connected, probably even interconnected, and are connected to their counterparties, the financial institutions. So the communication between the ERP and the bank, right, or the different financial institutions providing funding, um, is managed by a platform, right? It's all automated. So let's see a demo of that. This is an SAP S/4HANA system that you may recognize. If you're a usual user, you will know this screen. This is your usual purchase order screen, right? And in fact, you have a couple of hundreds of purchase orders already created, which you can filter and you can change and select, right? But there's one difference, and that difference is the PO financing button that you see right there, right? And that button normally is not there. It's only there as part of an embedded finance service, right? And what that button just allowed us was to receive offers from different financial institutions. So if you're a bank, right, your core banking system could respond to this offer request with an actual offer, and the user could choose your offer for financing. And in this case, we just selected one of those offers and was immediately approved. And what we're seeing here is in the little bit of backend, the body of the API that was called. So now, part of this solution, this embedded finance platform, part of the relevance is that all the data is going to be stored in the same place and can be used and leveraged for AI purposes. So you can build machine learning models to predict the probability of payment, right? The same way we're seeing here right now. And what happens is, thanks to the capabilities of the platform, you can have an explainable AI, an explainable model that allows you to understand how is the model predicting the probability. In this case, most of the prediction came from the order amount, for example. And that's very important. Explainable AI is already a requirement. In GDPR, they are explicit mentions to explainable AI. And in the US, the regulations are catching up with explainable AI. So there's already a need to be able to demonstrate that you are not using protected classes, for example. But very soon we will have a more thorough jurisdiction, a more thorough set of laws that will demand essentially explainable AI. So it's not only the fact that you can have a machine learning model to predict things, it's the fact that you can have a machine learning model that is compliant. Okay.